Hi everybody, welcome and welcome back. Today, I want to share with you guys some cleaning supplies and products that I personally recommend with all this viruses that's going on and stuff like that. So you definitely want to have a lot of things around that is antibacterial. Like definitely your bleach. If you can't get a hold of nothing else, at least try to get some bleach. Because it's going to be important that you have it to kill the germs that are spreading rampantly and stuff like that. And then I like to get these types of antibacteria cleaners for like the kitchen and just around the house, the bathroom and stuff like that. And then it's really important to keep your toilet very, very clean because you can spread diarrhea, not just a cold or anything like that. So this is my favorite toilet bowl cleaner is the Works. It is very light, it's runny, but it's just the best one to me. It's a disinfectant. And I noticed that when I clean with it, it keeps my toilets clean over a period of time instead of just like when you use even the ones with bleach, the thick ones that like stay up on the brim of the toilet and stuff like that. Well, that one works a lot better to me. And my favorite type of cleaner that's just like where I can dilute it is Mr. Clean. Lysol is good too, but I don't really like Pine Sol. Pine Sol's all right if I can't get anything else, but that's what I like. You're gonna want to have around your house some Lysol laundry sanitizer. And the reason why is because you're gonna want to add that to your loads to make sure that you're going the extra mile to kill germs. If someone has an accident, whether it's vomit, diarrhea, or anything else that could possibly spread, you want to put that in your laundry. If your laundry is just too bad off, I recommend throwing it away. And then another thing that I would recommend highly to make sure you get is some latex gloves so that when you're cleaning up, you're not running the risk of spreading all the germs and stuff like that. Another thing that I recommend doing is just taking like an old towel and just cutting it, down into where it makes rags. What else? Oh, just make sure you have some washing powder around your house because you're going to need it to make sure you're keeping your laundry nice and clean as well. Definitely want some paper towel to assist with cleaning. Like if somebody upchucked or anything like that, then you don't want to pick it up with like a rag or a sponge. You want to have something where you could throw it away and then go ahead and get it all cleaned up. And then I like the Comet cleansers and the Ajax type cleaners because they definitely have bleach in them. And then ammonia is something that is not pictured here on this table, but it is something that I highly recommend. Ammonia, I used to hate it after I had mixed it with some bleach or mixed it with something, and then it got me real sick, like asthmatic-y. But come to find out, I had used too much, and you can never mix ammonia. But ammonia is a great germ killer, and it's very inexpensive as well. And then just for the sake of convenience, make sure that you get you some antibacterial disinfecting type of wipes so that you could just, keep the house really nice and clean or clean up after somebody gets sick if that happens. But it's already finna be cold and flu season and you don't want to be sick. Another thing is make sure that you try to keep the dust down in your home. I like to use these type of just the little lightweight dusters so that you could just wipe down your house periodically, because if you have anything going on with respiratory and in your lungs, if you have dust in your home, it's just going to make it last longer and it's going to make it that much worse while you have it. So try to keep it as dust free as possible. And I guess that's it. That's all. So hopefully that'll be some motivation, you know, for you guys during those awful times when all these viruses and illnesses are going around. And the best way to contain them is just making sure the house is clean and a lot of hand washing and stuff. But other than that, that's it. That's all. Enjoy the rest of your day.